Recently, I've descended down a rabbit hole. An unintentional rabbit hole, I may add. And that rabbit hole is the Rustlers and SNACKSTERS and all that sort of rubbish. Because it's easy food, especially as a man on the go. I've got a microwave in the back. I need a toaster. But I've just been into Morrison's, and I've seen this. I've got two others in the fridge in the back, and I was going to do one of them, and then this has pricked my interest. And it's from Rustlers again. This is in Morrison's, and it's their Hunter's chicken and bacon flatbread. That sounds absolutely horrific. It sounds nice. It's coming next on Scott Reviews Things. Hello again and welcome back to lunch with Scott Reviews Things. Well, Scott on Scott Reviews Things. Anyway, and I saw this. I'm just saying, I've disappeared down the Rustlers rabbit hole. Absolute crap food, but intriguing because it's cheap. I've got two other of these monstrosities sat in my fridge. I've seen this. And it piqued my interest. It did pique my interest. Where's my glasses? Because I thought that looks horrific. At £1.75, I think usually it's £2.50, but it's on a deal at the moment. I mean, looking in the box, I mean, what's that? I know it's supposed to be the chicken, but what? I mean, my Christ. Yeah. Rustlers, chicken and bacon. Hunter chicken. I like Hunter chicken. And it said microwave, remove from packaging, pop the chicken and bacon in the microwave, and heat on full power for 90 seconds. You'll fucking kill me. If I heat it for 90 seconds, I'm going to die. With a clean plate, assemble chicken, bacon and cheese inside flatbread. Then cook for a further 60 seconds. Squeeze over. So yeah, 90 seconds. I'm going to give it about 3 minutes. Clean plate, assemble the chicken and bacon and cheese inside. So put it all together. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go get it cooked, and then we'll be back to have a look at this absolute monstrosity. Pray for my innards. In fact, before I should show you it before we go stick it in the old nuclear oven, let's have a look at what it looks like. I want to have a look at the calories. Calories for this. 400. So this is it before it's been nuked to death. I mean, look, flame grilled. Flatbread looks all right. This is what this channel's come to. Eating this absolute fucking rubbish. Right, let's go and get it in the old radiation maker. Look at this beauty. Obviously I haven't got a plate, so I clean the turning wheel. Look, fabulous, doesn't it? Smells awful. Right. So, chicken on, bacon on. I'll do this one-handed, ain't easy. The thinnest cheese known to man on. It's going in for another 2 minutes. Let's see what this makes. Well, it's gonna make me ill, if I'm honest. Look at that cheese. Chicken looks awful. Bacon, limper than an old man's foreskin. Absolutely fucking horrendous. Right, first things first. On top of the, here it is, look at it. Look at this. Cheese is melted. As you can see, I've got to put the, it's going to be delicious. It'll be the thinnest barbecue sauce known to man. There we go. Mmm, yummy. Yummy. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Get it all out. Don't want to miss out on that flavour, do we? Right. I know I haven't got all the garnish. But that's the thing. They make these things look so appetising with all this garnish. I mean, it's a thing on the go. Not even close. So, slab of chicken. Barely cooked bacon. The thinnest cheese known to humankind. Happy Christmas.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
We're down the wrong hole. We're down the wrong hole. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, back to the cheesy flatbread. And just chicken and bacon.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
Absolutely vile.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
Yeah, dreadful. But edible.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
One of the worst things I've ever eaten. And I'll probably buy it again. I'll probably buy it again because it's actually quite tasty.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum.
Chewy bit of chicken. Some bacon on top. Nuked in the old radiation maker. £1.75.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
Almost laughably bad. But I would buy it again.
Yum yum, choo choo, yum yum, choo choo, yum yum.
As dry as Gandhi's flip-flops. But, yeah, it's all right. It's my credibility gone, isn't it? Rustlers, I thought it was going to be dreadful, and it is. It is dreadful, but it is quite tasty. It's quite tasty. And I can only be honest, I can't sit here and lie. Rustlers, Hunters, chicken and bacon flatbread with barbecue sauce. Give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. Don't subscribe. If you had it, let us know in the comments. If you haven't, pick one up. £1.75. It's all right. It'd be all right. There's some garnish in there as well. Fucking hell. That's this channel dead. See you soon.